Hello everyone and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. As you can see here, I'm displaying some items that I'll be using for my ingredients. I will be making saltfish fried dumplings. As you can see here, I have the cornmeal, the self-rising flour, water in a container, and the saltfish as well that I already washed. It is cooked and I already broken up in small pieces, and a half cup of organic brown sugar. Stay tuned and I'll be right back. So before I went ahead and do all of this, I gave my hands a good wash with warm water and soap. And as you can see here in this container, I had combined the cornmeal and flour in this container and I gave it a mix. So now what I'm going to do is transfer the saltfish that I had already cooked and washed and as well broken in small pieces to the mixed flour and cornmeal. So here I am going to use my whisk just to mix it around. I'm gonna put my whisk aside, and so I'm just gonna use my hand just to make a little opening in the middle, or a hollow in the middle and then I'm gonna pour water gradually because you don't want your flour to be too soft. And I'm just gonna use my hand just to mix. So guys, I'm now gonna continue to do this until the dough is smooth in texture. So stay tuned. So guys, as now you can see, the dough is smooth. It is smooth, and so I'm now gonna take off small pieces about this size. Just gonna put it aside like that. Everybody make their dumplings different, but this is what I do. I pick it off, or I break a small piece of the entire dough, and I just put it aside like that. So guys, here I have in my container, here is some oil that is now on the stove. I'm now going to turn the stove on. I'm going to put that on a medium so that I can get the oil to hot. So guys, now the oil, I'm going to test if it's hot. So what I normally do is take a little piece of dumpling and I put it in the pot just like that, and plainly you can see the oil is hot. And now I'm gonna roll my and this is how I make my dumpling, and I lower it in the oil. So guys, I'm just gonna continue to do the rest just like this. So So guys, this is some of the dumplings in the pot. This is the first batch. I had was to turn some of them while I'm putting in some, you know, so this is the first batch so far. And so this is how I go about frying my dumplings. While I'm putting in the pot, I'm flipping as well because I don't want my dumplings to be burned. And so as well, I fry my dumplings on medium flame. Can't wait to dig in. These are delicious saltfish dumplings. Oh my god, delicious. And the thing what I love about it, you can have it just like that because the saltfish is already in the dumplings. These are delicious. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, the first sets of dumplings are out and I decided to taste one. So here I have it in my hand. You can see. Yeah, that's the dumpling, guys. And I'm gonna taste. I can't wait. Guys, it is lovely. You know what I love about this? The saltfish, the combination of the saltfish. It is so delicious. I implore you to try it, guys. Please, if you haven't tried saltfish fried dumpling, you need to try it.